Hello and welcome to our APRA CPS 230 series of video blogs, helping organisations to understand how they can automate and streamline the technology risk management processes required to deliver operational resilience. In this video, we'll discuss the need to identify the key components and dependencies required to deliver critical operations as defined within requirement 27 of the regs. I'm Marc Woolward, CTO with vArmour, with several decades experience of managing technology risk within mission critical environments. So let's begin by discussing the requirement here. You cannot manage risk or make effective operational decisions if you lack accurate information about the components and dependencies required to deliver your critical operations. vArmour Relationship Cloud integrates with an organization's existing log and telemetry feeds to establish and continuously maintain a baseline of the environment. This first step eliminates thousands of hours of manual and inaccurate effort and forms the basis of effective and continuous operational risk management 365 days of the year. Here we see the Relationship Cloud interface enabling us to drill down into the map of systems and application dependencies required to deliver the mobile banking business function. This map is automatically derived from an organisation's telemetry and inventories and organised into a structure that can be easily understood by operational risk teams and business function owners. In the application visualization, we firstly see the functions that comprise the major business application itself within the ring in the center. We can see the upstream dependencies over here to the right. We see the downstream dependencies to the left. In this case, downstream dependencies consist only of client systems. And we also see the infrastructure dependencies that are broken out down here to the bottom. The information is displayed according to the application's logical structure and can be filtered and searched based upon the search and the filtering capabilities within the product. This is particularly powerful to streamline scenario testing and risk assessment processes, which we'll talk about in the next video. The map can be exported to a report for audit and planning purposes, and we can drill down to understand more detailed information about an application. For example, here we are looking at the dependency between mobile banking and the risk calculators application. And it allows us to understand the resilience properties of the dependency in order to plan changes effectively, recover from an incident, or assess the risk and resilience of my critical operations dependencies. So in this example, we can see what appears to be two active clusters that are used to provide a full mesh of communication connectivity between the two applications, and that these relationships have been displayed and have been active within the last 30 days. Once I've reviewed and approved my inventory and map, I can also automatically implement a baseline policy within the Relationship Cloud's rules engine so that I am then immediately notified whenever a material new dependency or behaviour is identified. And that concludes our brief video blog, where we have shown you how it's possible to streamline, automate and simplify the requirements of APRA CPS 230, in particular the requirement to identify the key components and dependencies required to deliver critical operations. Thanks for your time and thanks for watching.